In today's really fun recipe, we're going to be making some really amazing chewy chocolate chip cookies. For my recipe today, I'm going to need half a cup of granulated white sugar, that is 100 grams, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 165 grams, 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 188 grams, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 170 grams, a half a cup of butter, 115 grams, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 grams, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 grams, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 3 grams, and our last ingredient, 1 large egg. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. First step, we're going to get in all of our white granulated sugar, and then our brown sugar, and then my butter, which I have melted. Makes this recipe just come together that much better. And my 1 egg. Close down my mixer. Get that ready to go. This is a brand new mixer. This is the KRAFTSMAN KM50. If you want to see a full unboxing of this, very quick unboxing and a very detailed overview of this brand new mixer, you can check it out over on my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. I'll put a link underneath this video in the description box and also in the comment section. You just press the button to get it going, and we'll start creaming this. So this mixer has 8 speeds. You can see the lightness of the color now in our batter. This machine works very well. I'm very impressed with it. Then we've got our dry ingredients here. So we've got the flour, make sure I'm on camera, our little bit of baking soda, and our salt. I'm going to get that in. We still need to put in our vanilla. And I always like to get that vanilla in before I put in the dry ingredients, otherwise you can have little clumps appearing in your cookie. So let's just do this. We get in our vanilla extract, and I always use pure vanilla extract. If your bottle says vanilla essence, that means it's not real vanilla. I'm just going to turn this on for a second just to get this mixed in. Okay, that's good. Going to lift that up, make it a little easier, make sure everything's mixed here, and then let's just get all of this in. Just like that. And it's at this point now, when you add your flour, you don't want to mix on a high speed. Very low. Just mix until you see it incorporated. That looks good. And then all of our chocolate chips. Oh, this is going to be good. And just another fast little mix. This mixer, by the way, has a little timer on it. So every time you start the machine, the timer will start, and if you stop, the timer stops and pauses. So you can kind of get a good overview or a feeling of how much you've mixed by that timer. So you see, you can just get it a little bit, maybe a little bit higher here. And that is it for the recipe. So now we're going to scoop these out onto our trays. So I got my 2 trays ready to go, and I have a silicone mat on each one. If you don't have a silicone mat, you can use parchment paper instead. So I'm going to grab my dough, and I just want to pull it up against the sides. Just evens out the cookies, and then right onto the silicone. So I'm not going to bore you with this. I'll go whip through all of these and I'll be back in a second. And my last one, and I've used up all of my batter. So that's good. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 really nice cookies. My oven is set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. I'm going to bake my cookies for a total of 10 minutes. I'll bake all of them and then I'll be back. Hey everybody, here are the final cookies, and they do look amazing. All of my cookies were baked for 10 minutes. I did this tray first and then this tray. So of course, to end off the video, I've got to do it. I'm going to go in for a nice bite. Look at that. Nice and caramelized on the bottom. These smell amazing. Let's just go in for a little bite here. Look at this. Can you see how this is? Look at this. Oh, so good. Let's go in. That is just so good. Yeah, these are amazing. If you love chocolate chip cookies, you gotta give my recipe a try. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and I'm also on Facebook at BakeLikeAPro. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Amazing. So good. Yum. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.